Now, the topic of study is social differentiation. What is meant by social differentiation? Social differentiation can be defined as the division of society or the division of individuals and groups on the basis of some concrete characteristics. For example, if individuals and groups are divided on the basis of age, sex, intelligence, personality, religion, race, color, language, and property, the process will be known as social differentiation. The process of social differentiation has been in existence in society since ancient times. Earlier, the basis of social differentiation was age, sex, or color. But with time, the basis of social differentiation became wide and varied. Now let's discuss about the characteristics of social differentiation. So the first characteristic says that social differentiation is a neutral concept. It's a neutral concept means that though people, groups and individuals have been divided into several groups on the basis of age, sex, etc., but there is no feeling of low and high among these groups or people. For example, if there are two people, one is of a fair color and the other person is of a dark color, then it will not be said that the person who is of fair color is looking better than the person who is of dark color, or a person who is of fair color is higher or superior to a person of dark color. Or another example can be that if a man and a woman are standing, we say that he is a male gender and the woman is a female gender. So these are different people having different sexes or genders. But it's not like that we can say that because he is a male gender, so he is superior to the female gender. So this is what social differentiation is. There are differences among the people existing in society, but because of this difference, it cannot be said that this person is superior to that person because he is having this color, or he is of this age, or he belongs to this sex, this kind of personality, etc. It's just the difference between two individuals or two groups. Then it can be said that social differentiation has been a universal process. It has been in existence in society since very long. It's also an ancient process and universal in the sense that there is no part of the world where there are no differences among the people or groups. And when there are differences, there is social differentiation. So this is all about the process of social differentiation existing in society. Now the question arises that how social differentiation is different from social stratification. Earlier we discussed, while discussing the definition of social stratification, that social stratification is a concept in which various groups or people are divided in the society and there is a feeling of low and high among these groups or people in various segments or divisions. People are divided into various groups. These groups are unequal in power, prestige and wealth. So some groups are regarded as superior to the other groups existing in society. For example, the caste system and the class system. In the caste system, there are four groups: the Brahmins, the Kshatriyas, the Vaishyas and the Shudras. And the Brahmins are considered as the highest and the Shudras are considered as the lowest. So someone is superior and someone is inferior. Similarly, in the class system, there are higher class of people who are rich and considered superior to the lower class people. They enjoy higher social status because of belonging to the higher class. So in this way, when there comes a feeling of low and high between the groups with differences, it leads to the process of social stratification. Social differentiation leads to social stratification by introduction of the feeling of low and high in it. So this is the basic difference between social stratification and social differentiation.